8. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is one of the most versatile and popular low-carb vegetables. It has a very mild taste and can be used as a substitute for potatoes, rice and other higher carb foods. 1 cup 100 grams of raw cauliflower contains 5 grams of carbs, 3 of which are fiber. It's also high in vitamin K and provides 77% of the RDI for vitamin C. Like other cruciferous vegetables, it's associated with a reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. Summary: cauliflower contains 2 grams of digestible carbs per serving. It is also high in vitamins K and C and may help prevent heart disease and cancer. 9. Green beans. Green beans are sometimes referred to as snap beans or string beans. They are a member of the legume family, along with beans and lentils. However, they have significantly fewer carbs than most legumes. A 1 cup 125 gram serving of cooked green beans contains 10 grams of carbs, 4 of which are fiber. They're high in chlorophyll, which animal studies suggest may help protect against cancer. In addition, they contain carotenoids, which are associated with improved brain function during aging. Summary: green beans contain 6 grams of digestible carbs per serving, as well as antioxidants that may help prevent cancer and protect the brain. 10. Lettuce. Lettuce is one of the lowest carb vegetables around. 1 cup 47 grams of lettuce contains 2 grams of carbs, 1 of which is fiber. Depending on the type, it may also be a good source of certain vitamins. For instance, romaine and other dark green varieties are rich in vitamins A, C and K. They're also high in folate. Folate helps decrease levels of homocysteine, a compound linked to an increased risk of heart disease. One study in 37 women showed that consuming foods high in folate for 5 weeks reduced homocysteine levels by 13% compared to a low folate diet. Summary: lettuce contains 1 gram of digestible carbs per serving. It's high in several vitamins, including folate, which may lower heart disease risk. 11. Garlic. Garlic is known for its beneficial effects on immune function. Studies have found that it may boost resistance to the common cold and decrease blood pressure. Although it's a high-carb vegetable by weight, the amount typically consumed in one sitting is very low due to its strong taste and aroma. 1 clove 3 grams of garlic contains 1 gram of carbs, part of which is fiber. Summary: garlic contains 1 gram of digestible carbs per clove. It may reduce blood pressure and improve immune function. 12. Kale. Kale is a trendy vegetable that's also extremely nutrient-dense. It's loaded with antioxidants, including quercetin and camphorol. These have been shown to lower blood pressure and may also help protect against heart disease, type 2 diabetes and other diseases. 1 cup 67 grams of raw kale contains 7 grams of carbs, 1 of which is fiber. It also provides an impressive 206% of the RDI for vitamin A and 134% of the RDI for vitamin C. A high intake of vitamin C has been shown to improve immune function and increase the skin's ability to fight damaging free radicals, which can speed up the aging process. Summary: kale contains 6 grams of digestible carbs per serving. It's high in antioxidants and has more than 100% of the RDI for vitamins A and C13. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are low in carbs and very refreshing. 1 cup 104 grams of chopped cucumber contains 4 grams of carbs, less than 1 gram of which is fiber. Although cucumbers aren't very high in vitamins or minerals, they contain a compound called cucurbitacin E, which may have beneficial effects on health. Results from test tube and animal studies suggest it has anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties and may protect brain health. Summary: cucumbers contain just under 4 grams of digestible carbs per serving. They may help protect against cancer and support brain health. 14. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are another tasty cruciferous vegetable. A half cup 78 gram serving of cooked Brussels sprouts contains 6 grams of carbs, 2 of which are fiber. It also provides 80% of the RDI for vitamin C and 137% of the RDI for vitamin K. What's more, controlled human studies suggest that eating Brussels sprouts may reduce risk factors for cancer, including colon cancer. Summary: Brussels sprouts contain 4 grams of digestible carbs per serving. They're high in vitamins C and K and may help reduce cancer risk. Thanks for watching.